Instagram fix an unknown network error has occurred and login problem in Android. Welcome to our channel. I'm Marina and let's get started. So for this, you have to press and hold your Instagram application and then go to app info. Then tap on storage and cache right here and tap on clear cache. Now the next step is to tap on this force stop and then tap on OK. Again tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if there is any restriction. This issue might occur if your Wi-Fi is really slow, so you can just open your mobile data and try it again and see if the issue resolves. If not, go to settings and tap on the search bar and search for data saver. Now you have to make sure that the data saver is actually off. If it looks something like this, simply tap it off by tapping on it and your issue might be fixed. Hopefully you will give it a try and thank you so much for watching.